Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Shopify step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Shopify website. Click on the Get Started button. Fill out the sign up form with your email, password, and store name. After completing the form, click on Create Your Store. You will be redirected to your Shopify dashboard. To connect your store to payment providers, go to the Settings tab. Select Payments from the Settings menu. Choose a payment method that suits your business. Follow the prompts to set up your selected payment method. Next, integrate shipping options by going back to the Settings tab. Click on Shipping and Delivery. Set your shipping rates based on your preferences. Now, you can connect to a domain. In the Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store. Select Domains from the drop-down. Follow the instructions to add or connect an existing domain. To add products, go to the Products section on the left sidebar. Click on the Add Product button. Fill in the product details such as title, description, and pricing. Upload images for your product. Once finished, click on Save. Customize your store's appearance by clicking on Online Store. Select themes to browse different themes. Choose a theme that fits your brand and click on Customize. Edit elements like colors, fonts. Finally, preview your store to see how it looks. Make any necessary adjustments before launching your store to the public. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.